Welcome back. Now, in some cases, you won't be doing a direct integration in order to bring your subscribers in. You may be able to secure a CSV file from the platform that you're using, and you want to bring that CSV file into your ConvertKit account. To do that, you're going to click Add Subscribers. What you're then going to do is click Import a CSV. Now, when you do an import, you're going to want to be aware that the individual will experience any automation rules that you have running on the tags or sequences that the individuals will be part of. So what you're going to do is you're then going to drag and drop your CSV file into this area. You're then going to grab your CSV file. You'll then click Open. What you'll then do is choose how you want the individuals to be categorized. You'll then choose your tags. What you'll then do is you'll go down into the mapping area. You're going to want to click inside of each box. In this case, we're going to determine that the email field should match the email. The first name will match the first name. Now, in some cases, you won't have anything available in your last name. However, you will have the email and first name. What you can then do is then click Import Subscribers. And the import process of your CSV file will then begin. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.